Automotive Medics. I've got a BMW 6 Series here on a 2012 plate. Just replacing the main dip beam on this. It is got the high definition bulb, which is a xenon bulb D1S. You will find this in the description where to get it from as well. So if you needed one, where to buy it from, you can click on the link and it'll take you straight. But show you something. What we do, to do a bulb on this particular model, you can't do anything from here. So this area is quite compact. So what you got to do, you got to do it through the wheel arch underneath here to come round, and you need a Phillips screwdriver to undo these two little screws right here. I'm just going to have this light on as well. So these two little screws turn the steering wheel more towards your towards the right, and if you're doing the driver's side, more towards the left. So you undo this first screw, and then you do the same thing with the other one. Right, now that I've loosened it up, so what I'll do, I'll take it out all the way, take the two screws out. This drops. You can either leave that in this position or take it out and drop it sideways, so this is holding it anyway. So when you want to put it back up, bring it back up, slot it through the gaps, and that's it, job done. Now it's that cover there, right there, that's what we need to do. So if I twist that to my left, take the whole thing out, and on the inside, now this is the gas discharge bulb. So what you do, make sure the ignition is off, the lights are off, the keys are out, just in case, because they do carry a lot of voltage, so you can get electrocuted, burn your hand and stuff like that. And you know, just take extra care basically. So you unplug it, that's it, that's unplugged. All you then do is with this one, you twist that to your left like this. Just remember how you do it. So when you pull it out, this is the position you need to push it, put it back in, and then twist it to your right. So that's the bulb. Just got it out. And the new one, always remember when you take the new one out, so do it from the back. Hold it from the back, so never hold this area here, so you can damage the life of the bulb itself. So these are the two little lug locators right there, as you could see. So the lug locators, they look exactly the same. So all I now do is slot it through. You can even see it through there as well, where the lug locators are. So if I slot it through, and then that's it. This is not good. So I'll twist that to my right. That's it, job done. So this is solid now. So all I now do is plug it back in. Plug it in, and we're just going to check, see if it's working. So if you come around here and just watch the light. If I switch the ignition on. Now as you can see now, that one's working as well. You can see. And this one here is working. That's all you had to do to put everything back together. Make sure you do. I'm going to put everything back together anyway, but make sure you do the same as well. And if there is anything else you need to know, just drop us a message. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And do check out the playlist for BMW. There's a playlist for bulbs as well. If there's another car you need to look in for. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.